The loft is perhaps the most flexible feature SolidWorks provides for the creation of geometry. It can be used to create anything from simple prismatic blocks or the most complex of surfaces. The basic loft allows you to create geometry by defining two cross-sections and joining them together. Here, for instance, I have a loft between a circle and a square. This ability to change the cross-sectional shape of a solid is what separates the loft feature from the sweep feature. When using a sweep, although you can vary the dimensions of the cross-sections, the shape must remain constant. Notice here as we look at the cross-sectional shape of this sweep. It changes in size, but it's always elliptical in shape. This limitation is not present when using a loft. In the next few lessons, we'll take a look at different applications for the loft, as well as the various methods of defining the feature.